Riboti cia o muthenya cia miaki mathukuru-ini ti undu mugeni guku bururi-ini. O mwaka thukuru nyingi igithii hathara itangitarika, nao aciari makirika mihuko kurihira ngarama ino niguo gutigirira ati ciana ciao no irathoma. Kaingĩ mitino ĩno ikoragwo ithugundĩtwo ni arutwo aria riu kurerikana ni makirite mihaka. Minister wa githomo George Magoha riu akiendekithia gucokio kwa iboko mathukuru-ini arita njira ya kurunga mitugo ya arutwo.
I hope that in future capital punishment will be reintroduced back in schools as long as it is properly used. For the female child, you shall use the hand, extended hand. For the boy child, the very well formed backside. And the stick to be used should be standardized so that the child can, the idea is to inflict a bit of pain so that the child can know this one is a no-go area.
Magoha kwaragia o thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Nyambururu uria uri mwena wa Kitutu Chache kaunti-ini ya Githii, akiuga arutwo aria mekunyitikana matigukorwo na munyaka kuona maigatwo thukuru kuria mathomagira gutire thukuru ungi ukametikira.
To send a very firm circular to all head teachers that no child from schools which have been closed due to banning should be readmitted in any other school. So that if you think you are going to ban this one and you go to another one, then you ban that one, that is not going to happen.
Oho akiruta mukana wa arutwo gwitikirio gukorwo na sanitizer thukuru agikwa ciaya gukorwo ikihuthika na njira iria itagereire.
This must be confiscated from the children because they can use it for two things. One, to start fires. Two, to get intoxicated and do other things.
Kuri aria makoretwo makihahama arutwo kimwiri riu matire na munyaka. Magoha akiuga gutire ono mwe wao okwirisha guoko kwa watho.
Because we can't allow this to happen. Even if it is the girl's father or uncle and they want to settle traditionally, we don't want the traditional settlement. Do you understand? We want the matter to be settled in court so that the person can rot in hell for some time.
Ihinda-inĩ riu agiteterithia ati igeranio cia KCPE na KCSE igathie na mbere o ta uria ibangĩirwo mweri-inĩ wa gatatu. Ni Kameme TV, Tetagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.